Hey Soul fam, what's up, what's up? So this rising we're gonna talk about electromagnetism and here. Alright, so your body is an electromagnet. You know, if you understand physics and this and that. If you understand science overall and the metaphysics of life, that's why them call it metaphysics. Spirituality and science tie into each other. You get what me I say? Alchemy people know about. You know, sometimes things can look magical when you deal with alchemy, when you mix chemicals and them type of thing. The people can think of magic. The person that don't understand science will think of magic. But it's not really magic, it's just science, and that is why I believe in a spirituality so much. Because science proves spirituality, you know. Religion I don't have any proof. So religion requires you to believe in something that I have no proof of. And I kinda think that's stupid. You get what I say? Now there's proof in spirituality, and while practicing spirituality, you know, you will develop faith because you see things that happen. You actively see things that happen. You actively realize that there is a source governing your life and guiding you, you know, because you're going to develop a lot of faith while on the spiritual journey. But I'm not really that we are talking about right now. We are talking about dreadlocks and electromagnetism. So the hair is naturally magnetic. A lot of people might know because a lot of people use this method to test gold or any other metal. Them like take out a strand of them ear, and based on if the ear is attracted to the metal, as in if it stick to the metal or not, you can tell if a real gold or if a fake gold or if a real silver or fake silver. You understand? And yeah, so that proves to you say hair is very, very magnetic, electromagnetic. Even if you cut your hair right now and you bungle up some of the hair and you put it near to a next patch of hair, this is going to attract, the ear will attract the other ear. Literally going to start stick to each other like a magnet. You get what I say? So that's how you know say ear is very electrical. If you look into static electricity again, you realize that hair produce static electricity. If you rub your hair, the more you rub it, friction creates static electricity, and you know your hair can prove that if you rub your hair and thing. So you know that's proof that it is electromagnetic. Now, if you want to get a increase the electromagnetism of your body, because we all have an electromagnetic field around our body. If you want to increase the electromagnetic field around your body, and strengthen it, you are required to grow out your hair. That is the reason why the human being even have hair in the first place. That is the reason why the human body produce hair. You know, it's for the electromagnetic field of the body. Well, not just the only purpose, but that's one of the main purpose them. Yeah, so the more the ear kink and coil, the stronger the electromagnetic field. The stronger the electromagnetic field get. So that's why I always explain that growing out dreadlocks is one of the that's the strongest electromagnetic field I can create for the body, and that is why the body naturally creates dreadlocks, because the body is trying to create the strongest and most stable electromagnetic field for the body. You get what I say? Your body I try to help you by growing dreadlocks, guys. That's basically what I try to say. So the more turns in our wavelength equals more electricity. The more turns you see go through a wavelength. That is why black people hear coil. That's why coil and kink, it try to allow more electricity to pass through the being. And dreadlocks naturally rid the body of toxins based on the fact that so when you hear kink and coil, remember, you know, the more kink and coil, the more electricity it can generate and, you know, pull and them type of thing there, and create the more electricity it can generate for the whole body, the more it kink and coil. So when you're in a full dread state, you know, fully free form dread, not up and coil up and kink up, is extreme amount of electricity that pass through your body. You get what I say? And if dreadlocks is that thing, if hair is that thing that rids your body of toxins, hair naturally rids your body of toxins, guys. Because that's why you see you sweat from your armpit, you sweat from your genital areas, you sweat from the places where produce hair, you know. When you harm a sweat to your body, that I try to get rid of toxins out of your body. You get what I say to you? So your ear now, I try to rid your body of toxins. So sometimes we have toxins in our brain, hard chemicals, hard metals where we consume in the food and the water. We get sent to the brain and clog up certain part of the brain. So when you grow out your hair for your head, it helps to remove the toxins from the brain and the nervous system overall. Because you know the brain and the spine is the central nervous system. But the nervous system exists throughout the whole body. So when you grow out your hair now, guys, it helps to rid toxins. And when it's in a dreadlocks form and it produces a strong pull, it's able to pull out more toxins from the body because more electricity pass through, so it's stronger. It's like using a garden hose to wash off a surface, in contrast to using like a power hose, giving it a power wash. So dreadlocks is literally like It's such a powerful detoxifier for the body. Like it literally pull, like the more your hair grow and knot up and get powerful with electricity, the more toxins it can pull from the body, basically. You get what I say? So once you're in a dreadlock farm, you're pulling a lot of toxin from the body. You literally are exchange. Same like how you connect your feet to the earth with grounding, and the same thing happen when you grow your hair. Just that it inverted. You get what I say? Who understand, understand. But big up, stay tuned.